Are you looking to figure out which condo or homeowners association property management software solution is best for you? Luckily, there are many options out there and a lot to consider before pulling the trigger. That being said, it's important to know which features and functionalities you need to maximize efficiency at your level. Welcome back, Loopers. My name is Sydney and I'm a landlord and real estate investor here to help you out. Now, a quick disclaimer that I do work for DoorLoop and this is the DoorLoop YouTube channel, but in this video, I will walk you through our top picks for HOA and condo management software. From talking about which features are typically available to providing a full-fledged breakdown of the top software, to begin, let's start with the basics. What is HOA and condo management software? This software gives managers the ability to streamline the management of the properties board members oversee, even for self-managed associations. It can include these features and more depending on the software: accounting, work order management, fee and other payment collection, and community calendar management. Here we are talking about one overarching umbrella of systems that covers HOA software, condo management software, condo accounting software, community management software, and related tools. So due to the overlap between homeowners associations and condominiums, these two types of property management needs are often combined into one software. Some are full-blown property management solutions that help with managing condominiums and HOA communities from within the software, among many other things. Others are more specialized, foregoing certain general property management features to focus on in one area, like HOA community management. They might still have features like the accounting and work order management that property management software typically has, but others might not. In exchange though, the programs often have other specialized features such as community management tools for HOAs to make the administrative work more manageable. So if you're an HOA manager, a specialized HOA management software tool that provides specific community management tools might be the way to go. So let's hop into our list of the best HOA and condo management software. First up is DoorLoop. With DoorLoop, you get access to one centralized dashboard to manage everything. You can eliminate the need for bouncing around between spreadsheets, accounts, and documents. Now you have everything in one place. Work order management, make creating work orders, tracking progress, and even communicating directly with tenants and residents on their maintenance request easier than ever. Built-in CRM and tenant portal, making communication easier by having one central location where tenants can get everything from updates on their maintenance request to making payments. A full accounting suite that accepts a diverse range of payments like credit cards and ACH, manage your entire chart of accounts, issue owner payments, and more. Reporting, have all your data in one place along with the ability to run reports regarding payments, events, etc. Community management, you can organize committees and subgroups easily with dedicated HOA software. Communication, communicate with community members through various means directly from an app or cloud-based software, centralizing and simplifying everything. Built-in tenant or community member portals, enjoy a central place where members can get all the information regarding maintenance requests, payments, important community dates, etc. And you can get all those features with DoorLoop for just $49 per month for up to 20 units. If you want to see that software in action, then schedule a free demo today with the link down in the description to see how all of these features could work in action with your community. Next up is Wild Apricot. Wild Apricot is a robust HOA management software for small associations with tons of features and incredible ease of use. Their features include event management, committee management, a variety of payment process options, website management, and member database. Wild Apricot has quite a few pricing tiers. It starts at $60 per month with its basic plan for up to 100 contacts. Its extensive global plan covers up to 50,000 contacts for $900 a month. Wild Apricot doesn't tier its features, so you can get all the tools featured no matter which plan you get. Next up is Pay HOA. Pay HOA services HOAs and property management companies and is known for its super responsive and helpful customer support, among other things. It also has a full range of features you'd want from any HOA management tool. The only drawback is it doesn't offer a mobile app functionality, but some of their features include member and property database, committee management, calendar management, work order creation and tracking, and payment processing. Pay HOA's most basic plan starts at $49 per month for up to 25 units, while the max level tier is $249 per month for up to 500 units. All features are included for all pricing tiers and offer a free trial. Now on to Empowered HOA. Empowered HOA is a dedicated HOA management tool with a simple and easy to use interface and solid online documentation that makes getting started easier. Their features include work order management, website support, calendar management, solid documentation, and event and committee management. Unfortunately, Empowered HOA doesn't offer its pricing publicly, so contact them for more information. Condo Control is a complete condo accounting software geared toward condominium and co-op managers and HOAs. It has many property management features while while also having several of the unique HOA community management features of a dedicated HOA software. Features include community management, including bulletin boards and voting, violation tracking, event management, and payment processing, and security and concierge features such as visitor parking. Condo Control lists their tiers on their website, but it doesn't offer its pricing publicly. eUnify is a complete property and HOA management tool known for its quick response times and regular feature updates. Some of their features include work order creation and tracking, calendar and committee management tools, various payment process options, website management, and member and property database. eUnify also doesn't offer its pricing publicly, so you'll have to contact them. Front Steps is able to service the entire life cycle of a community, from its home builders to HOAs, property managers, and even security. Their features include mobile app functionality, great training tools, community and committee management, work order creation and tracking, and payment processing. Front Steps also doesn't offer their pricing publicly, so contact them. Sync Systems is designed for condo and HOA communities and is known for its great automated workflows and ease of use. Their features include event and calendar management, member and property database, work order creation and tracking, website management, and mobile app functionality. They also don't offer their pricing publicly. Yardi Condo Management. Yardi offers many different property management tools, but its condo management solution is specifically designed for condo and HOA communities. Their features include calendar management, documentation management, property and member database, work order creation and tracking, and reporting. Yardi's pricing is different from other solutions, and its pricing is based on the type of property instead of pricing tiers. For associations, Yardi offers a Breeze Premium plan that costs $1 per unit per month with a $400 monthly minimum. HOA Life is specifically designed for HOA managers and offers one of the more HOA-focused collection of features on this list. Those features include work order management, violation tracking, reporting, committee management, and mobile app functionality. HOA Life has a plan for small associations that costs $995 per year with 250 properties included in that price. You can add more properties for up to 500 total. It also has a plan for larger associations, which costs $195 per month for up to 500 properties. You can add more properties for 35 cents per month without a limit. And lastly, we have Rent Tech Direct, which is another comprehensive property management solution. Their features include robust reporting, payment processing, a tenant portal to communicate on maintenance issues and other requests and make payments, work order creation, and vendor payments. Rent Tech Direct has a variety of pricing tiers based mainly on the number of units, starting at $40 per month for up to 10 units. For $65 per month, you get up to 50 units. For $110 per month, you get up to 100 units, and for $550 per month, you get up to 500 units. Depending on the package level, Rent Tech Direct also offers a few additional feature add-ons, such as tenant screening for between $10 and $18 per month. So there is our list, but you might be wondering which condo or HOA management software is the best. Well, which tool you choose depends on what features are most beneficial to you, your needs, and your budget. So take the time to review this information throughout this guide and make an informed decision, plus do your own research. And don't forget to check out DoorLoop, our complete property management software solution. Schedule a free demo today to see what DoorLoop is all about with the link down in the description. I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Plus, you can check out this playlist for more property management tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!